Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change desktop wallpaper on a Dell XPS laptop. To do this, we'll need to click on the Start, go for the Settings, enter Personalization. Here you should find the background. Then we can change the preset for our background, so you can change to Picture, Solid Color, Slideshow or Windows Spotlight. If you want to pick your own image as wallpaper, then select the picture, then go for Browse Photos and find whichever file you want to set as your wallpaper. And then the last option is to choose how it will fit on your screen. You can fill it, fit it, stretch it, tile it, center it or span it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.